So welcome back to another video of Techy, guys. So as you all know that I broke my mouse in the previous video. So actually I was playing Happy Wheels on my PC when I slammed my mouse in aggression and broke my mouse. So this is the lucky mouse which I broke while playing Happy Wheels. So this mouse is of the company Dell. It is a recently wired mouse. Yes, it's a wired mouse launched by Dell. So I don't like it pretty much, but it was the only choice. I had to use this mouse to make my videos, but it's broken. But still, I got a new mouse to replace this old mouse. So keep watching this video. Let's spread technology. Unboxing our brand new mouse. First of all, we're gonna put this mouse aside, and then we gotta need a knife. And finally, our brand new mouse. So this mouse is a cordless mouse launched by the Logitech company. So this mouse is M331 silent cordless mouse, and it is a wireless mouse, means it is a cordless mouse. We just gotta put that small USB type thing in the computer and then we can use it while keeping it anywhere. So a great thing about this mouse is that it works at a great range. So if you're 30 to 40 centimeters, say meters away from the PC, then also this mouse will work properly on your computer because of the variant, because of the wireless system in the USB drive and this mouse. So it has a right hand comfort system. This means that it can cover your whole right hand and you can easily press all the buttons with your right hand in this mouse, and it is pretty easy to handle it. It is not like my old mouse that you gotta hold it like that and press every button with aggression. This is a pretty decent mouse. You gotta just put your hand right like that and press it. It's pretty easy to press all these buttons because they're soft. So you get a lot of variants in this Logitech mouse, but I've got the blue variant in this mouse because blue is my favorite color, as you all know. So we're gonna unbox this mouse. So now we grab our knife and we'll remove all the seals and sellotapes of this Logitech mouse. So we're gonna remove the sellotape right over here, and then we're gonna remove that sellotape. There are no more sellotapes. So now we're gonna open our brand new mouse. So here is our brand new mouse. So as you can see that it has a rubber grip beside it, so the user can hold it like that and it will never ever slip away from the hand of the user while using it. So as you can see that it is covering that I can cover this mouse with my right hand. It's pretty easy to handle because you can press it like that, like that, like that, and you can even scroll it like that. So you must be wondering that where exactly is the USB drive in this mouse. So as you can see that there's a picture of this USB drive, but there's no USB drive in this box. You'll be able to find the USB drive within this mouse. So how to find the USB drive in this mouse? First you're gonna open this lid up, and then you'll be able to see a cell. This mouse works on a cell and it has a 24-month battery life. So this means that it can work for 2 years of battery life. So as you can see that there's a black kind of thing right here. Let's take it out, and here comes out the USB drive in front of me. So you just gotta put it inside a computer USB drive, and you gotta close the lid. You gotta close the lid right over here, and you gotta put the switch to the on position, and then your mouse will start working. So great thing about this mouse is that the laser light does not glow. This means that it is an optical laser light. So it will work without a laser light, because this means that it is a safe mouse. So you can move it like that on your PC. So let's check the working of this mouse. On, as you can see that I have brought my laptop with me. So, and I have this mouse. So what I'm gonna do is take out the lid of this mouse. We're gonna take out the USB drive from here, and then we're gonna inject it into the USB drive of my PC. So let me check where exactly is the USB drive, because I'm not able to find it. Yeah. So I've injected it. I've put the USB into the USB drive of my laptop. So now we're going to close the lid of this mouse, and we're going to check this mouse. We're going to check that whether it works smoothly or it works harshly. So I want you to come a bit closer to take a better preview of my PC. So as you can see that the mouse pointer is moving. If I right click, then you'll be able to see that the shortcut menu is here. Just click on refresh. So a really great thing about this mouse is that it is a silent button mouse. So this means whenever you buy a mouse, then when you click it, it creates a lot of sound which disturbs a person. But this mouse is a silent mouse. When you press this mouse, then it doesn't make any sound. Even the scroll bar is pretty decent. So, and it's pretty smooth. Yeah, that's for sure. It's pretty much smooth. You can open the shortcut menu with pretty ease, and you can also open the apps like that. Yeah. So I recommend all of you to buy this mouse to make your PC life a better life. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, like this video, subscribe to the channel Techy Pizza, and also don't forget to comment down below that what next unboxing do you want to see.